Oh, don't let her drink the beer.
Come here, give me your hand. Come here. There you go. Oh, don't drink. No! Don't drink it.
What happened to her walking around just a minute ago?
She's too busy trying to drink my beer.
Well, put it on the side of the couch. Put it over there. There you go.
Come here. There you go. Come on, come get it. Come get it. Oh, you almost got it. Come on. Back up.
It's amazing we're trying to get our baby to walk with beer. How fitting is that?
She's a skirvin. Come on. Stand back up. Hold on. It's delicious. I think she's over it.